There's three things you gotta have when it comes to being a real fast rider. And I mean a real fast rider, guys. I ain't talking about, you know, some chicken shit. What is she doing? She high, drunk, something? She wanna shake her booty? There ain't nothing wrong with a little motorbike doing some exploring. What's up, bro? You wanna race? What's up, officer? I was Officer Pickle in the squad car back there. You remember those three principles, and you won't have no worries in the rain. Just out here cruising and chilling. Ain't doing nothing too crazy.
Got him! Got him!
So we will continue with our park tour after we switch out the battery. It's gonna rain on me, guys. You guys are gonna get to see Flash CCU ride home in the rain. These people think that their kids and their dogs are in trouble because a little motorbike wants to do some exploring. I mean, how else am I gonna get up here and check out these views for y'all, right? There's only one way to do that. It's for me to come out here on the motorbike and do it for y'all. It's great to see everybody outside, all the kids playing baseball, you know what I mean, hanging out. It's so dope, man. There's actually a pool over here. Let's see if I can get us close. I don't know if we're gonna be able to, but there is a pool right over here, and I didn't know about it. There's the pool. Pool's right there. You can go there, hang out in the summertime, good little spot. Been there a couple times with my friend. She took her son there, and I'll go meet her up there. Ooh, excuse me. People out there playing some tennis. Ladies just chilling. Alright, so how we gonna get out of here? Right here. Take you guys past my real old house. Actually, guys, I totally lied to y'all. I originally told y'all I wasn't going to take you past my house. I lived in two different places. I lived over there, and then I moved over here. And since we already right here, I guess I can swing past my old house, go past it real quick, see what's good with it. We're going to loop around, though. So, we are over in an area called Highland Town, I want to say. If I remember correctly, I can't remember, guys. It's being a little bit. Look at them clouds, though, boy. See, most people would see them clouds that are on a motorcycle, especially a street bike, and they'd be like, I need to go home. I don't want to be out. I can't be out. I can't ride today. I don't want to get stuck in the rain. What's Flash DCU say? Man, he said, screw that rain. Your boy's going to make a video. I don't care about what that weatherman says. 90% of the time, that weatherman is wrong. If you guys want a profession to get in, go be a weatherman, because you can get things wrong. You can be wrong as hell 90% of the time and still get paid. Come on, fellas. Go ahead. Go ahead. You good? You good across. You're in a crossing walk. Alright, you don't want to cross? Okay. Try to be nice. That's what happens when you try to be nice. Sometimes you just get your pee-pee smacked. You get your pee-pee smacked real hard for being nice. People take advantage of people that are nice. I'll tell you guys, when I was a kid, I used to get walked all over. My friends walked all over me. The girls I dated walked all over me. Everybody walked all over me. That's just what it was. You know why? Because I was too nice. And then I grew up and became an asshole. Things worked out for me. Let's just say that. Alright, guys, coming up here on the left-hand side is where I used to live. And look at that, guys. I need fuel. Looks like your boy Flash ECU is going to have to make a gas run. So we're going to cruise around here for a minute, and then we're going to head straight to the fuel station. Go get some gas. That was my house. I lived right there. One of those Can't remember which one it was. There's gas over here, but I ain't trying to be an asshole, but you know what I mean? If I'm in the city, I'm at least go with that Shell Premium. Oh, actually, I completely lied, fellas. See, I haven't been down here in so long. Look at that. We at a Royal Farms. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, bro. Let me go ahead and pop in here and get some fuel. We'll be on our way. On our way. Being fast is all relative. There's always going to be somebody faster than you. And when it comes down to it, there's three things you gotta have when it comes to being a real fast rider. And I mean a real fast rider, guys. I ain't talking about, you know, some chicken shit. I'm talking about a true highway killer. Let's say what's up to this dude right there. Say what's up to him. Make sure he's having a good day. Like, everybody around knows who you are. Nobody will race you. Like, I'm talking like that kind of rider. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying like you're the fastest out of your crew. I'm saying you're the fastest in your state. Like, people where you go around ain't trying to race you because they don't want the smoke. They don't want it. Because they know you a bad dude and that you ride bikes. First off, you gotta have skill. That is 100% a must. If you ain't got skill, there's no way you're gonna be fast. That is just what it is, guys. Number two, you gotta have seat time. If you ain't got seat time, you sure as shit ain't gonna be fast. That's just what it is. And I guess you could argue that those two go hand in hand. Seat time and skill, I guess. Because the more seat time you get, the more skill you gonna get. That's just what it is, bro. That's just what it is, guys. I'm being honest. And three. And this is, I'll be honest, guys. This is just what it is. You gotta have balls. Okay? You could have a guy that's got all the skill, right? He's got all the seat time, but he ain't got no balls. Okay? So you know what that means? That means that a guy that got just as much skill and just as much seat time that has balls, he's gonna get smoked. I hate to break to you guys. There's no ifs, ands, or buts to put it. Can I turn around real quick? We are going through some more trenches. I want to show you guys. Look at this. Look at those clouds, fellas. See, I ain't even worried about that clouds, man. If I get stuck in some rain, I get stuck in some rain. It ain't no thing if we get stuck in some rain. The best part about this little journey that I'm on right now, I don't even really know where I am. Like, I don't think I've ever been on this part of the city. So we're gonna figure it out. We always do. What is she doing? She high, drunk, something? She wanna shake her booty? I'm on a motorcycle. I ain't around here to pick no prostitutes up. Let's go ahead and start trying to bop on home. Anyways, guys, we were just cruising through the most dangerous city in America. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have any idea where I'm at. I gave you guys plenty of clues of where I could be. So definitely So this is the kind of videos you guys like me doing, just kind of riding around, cruising, showing you a little area of where I'm from. I got no problem doing that. We can definitely make another one of these. Look at that nice little memorial we got right there for the kids. Look at that. This shit dope as shit. Hell yeah. I don't really know where we are, so I can't really comment on what part of the city we're at or any good stuff like that. Orleans Street. Now I think I know where I am. That's fucking dope. Let's go right. Yeah, let's go this way. Cruise through the street a little more, head on home. I think if you need an appliance, right there, that's your place. Wish I knew what time it was, but I don't, so it's all good. Hopefully you guys are still with me. Looks like you guys are, so that's what's up. Going past my buddy's work. If he's working, I will go say what's up to him, but I know he's not. Should I go the long way? Yeah, we'll go the long way. Those that are still with me, I really appreciate you guys. Y'all mean a lot. If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't be out here grinding, getting some content for y'all. I need you guys to do me one small favor. I need you guys to go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below stuff you liked in the video. Alright? Didn't even look. We're gonna head out, fellas. City cruise has been fun. I think we're looking to exit on out of the city. Take you guys to the good scenic route, of course, because you already know what it is. It's your boy Flash ECU. That's what we do. That's what we do. We take you guys through the scenic route so you guys can get all the things, so you can see all the stuff. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to see what I see. That's that simple. It's that fucking simple. Skinny spot, but we made it. Keep right, yep. can get over there and do that real quick. City traffic, but you want to know something? I'm on a motorcycle, so I don't sit in it. I don't sit in it. I don't sit in it. There's not a lot of negative things when it comes to riding motorcycles. There just ain't. Riding motorcycles is awesome. So much fun. So much freaking fun. Okay? It's the fact that once you like get used to lane splitting and not waiting in traffic and never having to on your motorcycle, when you're in your car and you're in traffic, it sucks because you're so used to not sitting in traffic on your motorcycle. And I get it. I've been there. I do it all the time. My man letting me over. Truly appreciate you. Traffic, so we can't be doing nothing too crazy.